Creating a template in ClickUp allows you to reuse workflows, task structures, or project setups, saving time and ensuring consistency. Here's how to create a template. Decide what to template. Identify the level of your template. It could be a list, folder, space, or individual task. Navigate to the desired item you want to turn into a template. Save as a template. For tasks, open the task. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Save as Template. For lists, folders, or spaces, click the settings icon next to the item name. Select Templates, Save as Template. Name and configure the template. Provide a name for your template for easy identification. Choose which details to include: subtasks, assignees, due dates, custom fields. Adjust sharing permissions to control who can use the template. Use the template. To apply the template, navigate to where you want to use it. Click +Add, then select Templates and choose your saved template.